You went off the same record?
No, same, bro. You gotta wake up, bro. Oh, get up, bro. You good?
Yeah.
You good, bro?
Yeah. What was the job again?
Oh, we was contracted to move this a little bit.
What the
Little
heck?
big thing.
It must be like September or something. I haven't like.
Yeah, I think it's June.
Oh, this is the one we gotta knock down, right?
Yeah.
This one looks more crappier. Why would he want to keep?
I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you.
Wow.
This one's worse though.
Want to see if we can go over?
What?
Forward?
Go down with the forward.
No, I don't damage forward. No. Don't damage forward.
Alright, stop. I'm not gonna act it. Why not with the forward, bro?
Cause
Hold that.
I'm not wanting to damage forward.
Forward.
Four-wheeler.
Forward.
Oh man, a four-wheeler.
You got the ratchet and straps to pull it
I think I do. Let's get on the old bad boy.
Oh, you been drinking again?
No, I have not, my friend.
Oh,
God.
where the rope at?
Where's the key at?
Where the key at?
Where's the key?
Where the rope at? Where the key at?
Bro.
Oh, there's a rope, bro.
There's a
I
rope.
got you. Watch this. He's still going in. Man, you stupid.
Put it in that hole, bro.
Here, I got you.
Get up. Hold on. Use your. You were stupid. Take it. Shit. Okay, that was close. That was also close. Throw it. Okay. Do you more slack? No. Doesn't not. Oh man. Okay, maybe this might actually work.
Look through there and put it on the bottom. Don't do that.
Is it gonna work?
Don't do that. I thought we agreed on the forward.
Yeah.
Use the forward.
Should we use a folder?
already
Give me a
on,
camera, stranger man. Give me a camera, stranger man. Should we use?
You're gonna start up on there, boy. You're gonna start.
Everybody clear the way.
And that's how you pull it. Let's go. Yeah.
We got it down.
Pull in that bed. Alright, this is fine. That is fine.
We did it, man. Please, got the basketball hook on? Very good.
It looked like we did. Should we end out this segment of our video?
No.
We should not end out
We
this
should put the hoop back up.
Oh, put the hook back.
Why is it going to go back up series? Now perfectly.
Oh,
Excuse. No, get out the way. This one.
Go forward. Hold on, let me push forward now.
I don't think it's going to be. No, it's not going to hit the folder.
It's
Just
not? Okay, we good.
go.
No! Not the brim, bro. Not the brim. Oh no. What do Joey ever do to his rim now? Damn. We just destroyed a little black boy's rim.
Think it's fixable.
It's fixable. Do it for about like $250 for a scratch off, just ain't.
Oh, you want to wait? Oh, great. Come over here. Let's actually try to just scoot it off into the dirt by pushing it right. It's like a shit right here. Ugh. Oh, I think we pushed over the wrong one.
Oh, dang. That was little Jimmy Timothy, man.
Yeah.
Timothy Charlemagne. Oh, no. Kobe.
Yeah, that thing was done for anyways.
Who dumb that idea was to put a hole in the rock and rock in the hole? Ah, they're tearing my buds. Oh, hey.
Wait.
There we go.
Dude, I'm a genius.
There you go, Timothy Charlemagne.
There you go. Oh, it's perfect.
You're stupid. You're gonna die.
Hey. No, not the little black boys. Oh. I'll put back up. Let's simulate. We're gonna simulate a building collapsing. All right. Let's say an earthquake is happening. I'll do. Hey, put my helmet right in the way of the line of fire, so it will miss the helmet. Okay.
Alright, you drop it and I'll put it on.
No, put it right here.
Right there? Alright. Right here? Right here?
Actually, right here.
Right there? Put it right
Right here. Go right here. Perfect. It wasn't lean my way. We're gonna just. All right, perfect. Really?
You big.
Let's recalculate that. We'll just move out of plan. Get over here. Scoot that helmet back a little. Scoot the helmet back. Back, like that, yeah.
That looks like it works.
Ugh. We gotta prop it back up. And then back up. Why does it keep missing the helmet?
You see it?
Stupid helmet.
Said, let me throw it under there when it falls.
Look, in case you're that stupid, they put another brain in here for your ass. Oh, come here. Actually, come here. I have an idea. Why not? Push it. Nick, move out the way. Push over that way. You're stupid. Why don't we do a rim brake test?
I'm not a break you over, man.
Why don't we like aim it towards the concrete and we'll drop it?
I know we watch your hand. Okay.
Yes, no, you stupid, the other way. Which way are we going? My way, towards me.
I wonder how to pull you over here. Like that works.
A little closer. Right there. Move. Ready?
Yeah.
Why is it gonna? You know what's nice about these rims? You take care of them, you water them, they'll fall back. I feel like I'm about to ask somebody, where's the money at? I'm gonna send that penetrate. Move the other way. Dude, it can. Dude, it can walk itself. Look. Push it over at the concrete. Push it over at the concrete.
Okay.
Go. Rim won't break. This rim won't break. Why don't we move it up here, then we'll let it fall back.
Right, Billy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Drag it up here. You have to pick up on this pipe. It's stuck in the ground. This right here. No, that right there. Just do this. What do we do? Scooch. Perfect. Now pop it back. Now we're gonna demonstrate an earthquake happening. The earthquake, it's quivering. Move out the way.
Trying to do rim, you big boy.
We should try to do that again. See if how many times it takes to do this. Actually, I'll fit, dude. Trust me, I'll fit. No. You try it. You pull up. Yeah, you're too scared.
I did it.
One more toss. I love getting all the sand in my hair.
Big Joe's coming. There you go. Roll that over there.
Yeah.
Breathe it, boy.
That worked. Bryce is stuck on it now.
Hey, somebody help, man. Oh. Joey, help me, Joey. Help me.
Let go. He's gonna get his leg stuck in that. Really?
Really neat. Now we just put.
Man, the new pole works out great. Go ahead and let the pole go, show them how good it is. And that is gonna hit the full.